Happy 2020, Carroll Schoolers. It's another start to a great school year, a very different school year than most. But it's time also, whenever we start a new school year at Carroll, to carry on a tradition of the lower school, which is learning the ERIK Song. If you're listening to this in class in school, unfortunately, we can't really sing in our classrooms. But this is a video you can watch at home as well and sing along there. And the song kind of gives us a message about how to treat each other. The four key words are empathy, respect, inclusion, and kindness. And as the song says, these four words can help to guide us. So enjoy the song, but really listen to the message of the words and take them with you. And don't forget to clap. That's something we can do in class. Here we go. Let's do it. Empathy, respect, inclusion, kindness. These four words can help to guide us. Empathy, respect, inclusion, kindness. These four words can help to guide us. Empathy means saying, I feel your pain. Respect means treating everyone the right way. Inclusion means including a standard by. Kindness is a smiling face saying hi. Hey everybody, empathy, respect, inclusion, kindness. These four words can help to guide us. Empathy, respect, inclusion, kindness. These four words can help to guide us. So, Carroll Schoolers, let's get off to a fantastic 2020 and make sure you take the message of ERIK with you and treat each other the right way. Let's go, Carroll.